This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell. Release the secondary catch under the bonnet. Open the bonnet and secure it with the bonnet prop. Peel the bonnet seal off the engine compartment bulkhead and remove it from the vehicle. Lift the brake fluid reservoir cover and remove the battery wiring harness cover from the water deflector. Then unclip the battery wiring harness from the water deflector. Lift the water deflector, then release the 2 retaining clips and pull the pollen filter out from its housing. Use a rag to wipe the filter housing clean before installing the new filter. Insert the new pollen filter, ensuring that it is correctly seated, and secure it in position with 2 retaining clips. Refit the water deflector, secure the retaining screw, clip the wiring harness back into place, replace the cover, then refit the rubber bonnet seal.